Now we have to complete our profile method. So profile method is very easy, short. First of all, we take the request and then $user and request of user and if user response back with user 200, and if not, if there is some error, then we have to redirect with the 404 user not found. Okay, this will be okay. Now let's test this. Here we have to change this here like profile. Okay, so here inside body we don't need to send anything because it's just get request. But in header we need one more one key here, which will be authorization, and the value will be barrier and then space and then this token here. So we will copy this and then space. Here we need to have a space, one space, okay, and then paste the token here. Now once we send this, okay, it's asking that login not defined. It's mean that we have some error here. Maybe I have to send this again and take the fresh token and then replace the token by this one. Now send. Again we have the error, so let's see. Let's add one more key here. Unauthenticated. Okay, I think we have to use this instead of access token and then token. So let's try now. First we will have to log in. So we got this token now. It's much shorter than that, and also it contains this also. Let's see. So profile and this and then okay, now we got the user. So the problem was this, okay. And next thing, let's check also the ability. So for that we need to have another middleware here, and let's see like this, and here we will use the ability. If we type here abilities, then this user must have all abilities like can create, can comment, all these, okay. But if we just type one, then it should have any of these ability like can create or can comment, okay. So now let's say only use user. Now let's test. Okay, it's working. But if I change this to admin, then the invalid ability provided, okay. This will redirect with 403. So now let's back to user and also admin, checking for each of these. So it's working because any of these are matching, okay, which is user. But if I type abilities and try again, so it's making problem here. If I remove this and then it will work, okay. So let's only use one ability. So either it can be user or it can be admin, because these all can be used by any of these user, okay. And I'm using just role here. You can give any permission here, like can create, can make, can comment, and can like any here, okay. We got the profile, and next we have to we can work on this, like update the profile, but this is fine. Next we have to work on change password, okay. So let's do change password in the next tutorial.